Today, we will talk about how to brace a wobbly table. Let's have a look at the details. Tables wobble either because the joints are weak or because one of the legs is shorter than the other. In any case, a wobbly table is one of those problems that you notice, throw on the to-do list, and then forget about until the next time you sit down. No more. There are tons of ways to fix this one. There are easy and quick solutions, and more professional options that involve a few tools and some elbow grease. So pick whichever solution seems the best for you. The first method is quick and easy options. Slide a matchbook under the shortest leg to level it. This is the simplest way to solve an issue with a single short leg. Just grab a small, flat item and slide it under whichever table leg is giving you the most problems. You could use a matchbook, a thin strip of cardboard, a coaster, or a folded-up paper towel. Fill a single wobbly or loose joint with wood glue. If one of the joints is loose and that's what is causing the wobble, you can typically remedy the problem by filling the joint with glue or epoxy. Try retightening any loose screws or bolts on your table. If you just move, rearrange your room, or use the table frequently, the joints can become loose. Grab a screwdriver, hex key, or any other hardware you need and inspect each joint. Retighten screws and bolts as needed to get rid of the wobble. Put something heavy on the table to keep it in place temporarily. If one of the legs is shorter than the other, but you just need a super quick fix, put something heavy over the shorter leg. It could be a stack of books, a planter, or some kind of other item. This should push the table leg down and keep the table from wobbling all over the place. The second method is leveling uneven table legs. Twist the adjustable glides if your furniture has them on the bottom. Glides are adjustable little pads that sit at the bottom of furniture legs where they rest on the floor. Install a furniture tack if your table doesn't have glides. If one of your legs is shorter than the other, measure the distance between the ground and the end of the leg. Buy a furniture tack that matches the size of that gap. Flip the table upside down. Hold the furniture tack over the bottom of the leg and hammer it into place. Cut pieces of a wine cork out and glue them to the legs for a D option. If you can't screw or drill into the legs of a table, make a riser. Saw the longer legs down for a professional-looking solution. You can do this with a hand saw, circular saw, or jigsaw. And the third method is using L brackets to reinforce the joints. Purchase some L brackets to brace the table and legs. L brackets are L-shaped pieces of soft metal that have holes for screw slots. By installing them at the junction where your table legs meet the tabletop, you'll give the table legs some additional support to prevent wobbling. Bend each bracket to match the leg where it meets the table. Drill pilot holes into each slot where the screws will go. Grab some screws that are shorter than the width of the tabletop and legs. Screw the brackets into the leg and table. Place your bracket in place so the pilot holes align with openings in the bracket. Then, drive your screws through the openings with a drill to secure the brackets in place. When the screws are in, give the leg a little tug. If it doesn't move, you should have no more wobble. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.